Hey y'all, if you're new here, my name is Charity. This is Faith, Family, and Farm Life. I'm a mama of 4 girls. I have 18 animals, and I've been married to my husband for 15 years. Hey y'all, welcome back to Faith, Family, and Farm Life. If you're new here, my name is Charity. I'm a mom of 4 girls. I have 18 animals, and I've been married to my husband right here for 15 years in February. So today I'm going to take y'all with us. Hopefully we get to go to the Ritz theater and watch The Grinch. That'll be fun, huh, Mahala?
Yeah.
That's my youngest, Mahala. And so we're going to take y'all with us. Hopefully we'll get to go and do that because today we're having storms in our area. So I'm not sure if we're going to 100% get to go and do that. But whatever we do, we're going to take y'all with us. And right now we're on our way to the pharmacy. Okay, y'all, so we are stopping by Chick-fil-A to get some food and drink because I need coffee. Bad. Oh my God, there's a cow. Hold on, let me show y'all the cow. He's inside that window. Look. There's a cow dressed up like Santa Claus. Okay, y'all, so we just got our food from Chick-fil-A. I got a sausage, egg, and cheese scramble bowl and hash browns, and Shannon got the sausage, egg, and cheese biscuit with hash browns, and Mahala got the chicken minis and hash browns with a Sprite. So we're still on our way to go and get his medicine at the pharmacy, so I'll turn y'all back on in just a little bit. So we just picked up Shannon's medicine. He just took his medicine so he can feel better. And now we are, I'm gonna flip y'all up and turn you around. So now we're gonna go, I guess, check the mail at the old house. Y'all, I may get a P.O. box. I'd love to have Christmas cards from everybody. I might do that. A P.O. box is where they send mail to, and they don't get your actual home address. So we're gonna go and check the mail at the old house. Mahala's playing with her Chick-fil-A drink. And then we're gonna go, since it's already too late, we're not gonna be able to watch The Grinch at the Ritz, but we are gonna go at, what did I say, 1:30?
Yeah.
I think it was 1:30. They're playing Medea's Christmas, so we're gonna go to that one. We're gonna go to one movie at least at the Ritz, because I've been trying to go to that theater for the whole time we've been living over in our area. I wasn't gonna say I was gonna say it, and then I was like, nope, hey. Anyway, so that's what we're doing today. Y'all just get to go with it. Hey y'all, so we're just gonna kill some time. What is this hair stuff going on?
Hey.
Anyway, we're gonna go and find this kid a gift for her class, and I may check out a clearance. I don't know.
Are we gonna be late for the movie?
No. We're not going to be late for the movie. All right. gonna get that one? Okie doke. Let's go get her a bag to put it in. Over where we just came from. She's on a mission. We can go over on the other side. May, come over here. This one's cute. Mary and Brock. Is that what? That's the one you got? The polar bear's cute too.
She likes bears.
Yeah, that would be cute.
She likes teddy bears.
Polar bears would have to work.
This one's a bear.
Maybe. Ooh, look at this one. This one's cute. Look at that. Love that.
No.
That's just me. I should get white bags and do cow print on them first. The gift that we're gonna do. I'll shoot you in the eye.
You'll shoot your eye out.
Oh.
I was trying to find one of these for forever. It's a.
They have these right here. White resin pot. It's 2 3.5 foot ones. That's what I want for our porch next year. I got a marshmallow. I like those. Oh, that's just box. So Mahayla had birthday money left over and she decided to get her a cow squishmallow. What are you gonna name him?
His name.
Moe.
No. Nightingale. That's his name on the tag.
Oh, it's a girl. Okay. Sorry, honey, you're still outnumbered.
Moe.
No,
It's Moolicious.
my other taco squishmallow is a boy and his name's Tex.
Okay, y'all, I'm back. So, my package finally came that I was telling y'all about. So, I'm gonna open it and show y'all what I got. So, let me find my scissors. And look how cute the packaging is, y'all. Look, it's little coffee cups. Ain't that adorable? Okay, it's from GroCoDesigns. And y'all know I like my shirts. I like all my shirts. Different sayings, different things. Okay, so let's open this up. They come packaged like this. It says handmade with love. That's nice. All right, let me get this out. I ordered an extra large because I like my shirts bigger. So, okay, so I can give you all of her stuff right here. If it'll focus on it. Okay, so there's all her information. That's so cool. All right, so y'all can pause the video if y'all need to and look at that. And the first shirt is so cute. Oh, it's so cute. It says, "Rock me mama like a wagon wheel." Ain't that so cute? I love it. Oh my gosh, I'm in love with that shirt. All right, the next one. Oh, these are so cute. It says wild and free, and it's got a buffalo and trees. It's so cute, y'all. I love this. I'm going to show y'all the other one closer like that too. And these are super soft. Super duper soft shirts. I'm so excited to see what these are. Oh, this one says Cowboys and Angels. I love it. Look how cute that is. Oh my gosh. Absolutely. I'm so glad she sent one of these. The Western shirt with the lightning bolt. Look how cute that is. Oh my gosh, y'all. If she knew me better, she wouldn't have sent white shirts because I just can't. And then I got Mahayla this one, and it's so cute. It says, take a number. Ain't that so precious? Mahayla. And then she said, uh-oh. She always sends freebies with her stuff. So she sent the washing instructions, which are right here. If it'll focus. Focus. Okay, it's not going to focus. And then she sent me this sticker. I put stickers on my cooler, y'all. There you go. Wyoming Air Service Incorporated. Ain't that cool? So I'm going to put that on my cooler. Look, I got you a shirt. Take a number. It's a cow tag. Ain't that cute?
Yeah, I like that.
Okay, so this is Mahayla's shirt. And I think that'll fit you just fine. Ain't it cute?
I like it.
Alright, so now we're going to go. Y'all will not be getting a video today because
She uploaded the wrong video, that's why.
I uploaded the wrong video.
Yeah.
So, I'm going to try and get it up before the end of the night, but I cannot make any promises because we're fixing to leave to go to the movie at the Ritz.
Yeah, we're gonna be early though, if we leave now.
No, we're not leaving right this second. Okay, so we're going to take y'all with us. I'm going to let y'all see the inside of the Ritz and the outside if I can possibly do that. So, okay, y'all, so I am wearing one of the shirts from GroCoDesigns. I love it. It is the Western shirt. It's got the lightning bolt as the E. And I just did a unicorn twist on my hair. That's all. And then I put some makeup on. So we're fixing to get ready to go because the movie starts at 1:30 and it's 1:05 now. Anyway, y'all, these boots are Laredo's. They have a sun design on the side of them. Look, I don't know if that's alligator skin or something on the toe there, but it does have cheetah print on the inside. These are so cute. I love them. I think these are little kids size 6. I think they're kids size 6. Yeah, so that's what we're doing. We're going to town to watch a movie. Mahayla's got her squishmallow back there. I told her she could take it with her since we're going to watch a movie and she'll probably end up falling asleep anyway. Right. Okay, y'all, this is the theater. Look how big it is. Yeah, where do we want to sit?
Let's do the last.
How about right here? Are you excited to watch the movie?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. I think it's gonna be fun. The stage at Juno B. Jones was a lot bigger. Huh?
Yeah.
Are you having a good day?
Yeah.
Look, now y'all can see her squishmallow better. Ain't he cute? It's a girl, right? I love that building.
I can't.
I got me a candy apple. I mean a caramel apple. And she got a candy apple and cotton candy. Okay, y'all. So Mahayla got cotton candy and a candy apple. Shannon got a very large sausage dog. Is that what it's called? Some kind of sausage dog. And I got a caramel apple with what looks like cookie crumbs on top. And now I'm gonna go find me a salad to eat for lunch. Thank y'all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all tomorrow. Bye, y'all.